Welcome to the channel, you guys. We do have a little issue with our Dodge Avenger. Well, it's a little issue for me. It may be a big issue for somebody else. So we have a little skippage in our transmission. All right. So when I get to about the third gear in the Dodge Avenger, it does this. All right, and I have to do a little trick for it to get back into gear. All right, so there's a couple of tricks, especially on startup. In this, the weather is cooling down, and again, this car was free handed down to me, so this is my first winter with this car. Okay, the summertime there was no issues, so now the winter time is here. The transmission is acting up, and we need to do something to solve this issue. So what we have here is this Lube Guard instant shutter fix. All right. I saw this on Amazon. They have this everywhere. eBay, Amazon, all those type of places. So this is a 2-ounce bottle. From what I've seen somebody put in their video is that they poured the whole thing in. So, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. What else I got to lose, right? But I just want to go ahead and see if I can fix the system right now. So this is our transmission. It says cut here, so we're gonna cut it. Now I don't know how this stuff gonna come out. Okay. So right there, and now we're gonna pour it in. It's going inside, you guys. I'm pouring everything in. I got nothing else to lose, you guys. The car is almost at 250,000 miles. I'll let y'all know how it works out. If I have any transmission slips, I will definitely let y'all know. Y'all know on this channel, I don't hold back, okay? All right, so we're gonna put that back in. I don't know if this will do anything, but we're just doing something. All right. And all else fails, I could just go to the junkyard and drop a transmission and swap it. This is 4 weeks later, and I didn't do this in the first 2 weeks because my transmission was still acting funny. So on the third week, I started seeing a difference on it shifting, pretty good. Right now, I'm going back into probably second gear. I'm in 20, speed 20. I'm going uphill now. It shift. Maybe it took a while for the liquid to go through all the gears and stuff, but I mean, it shift perfectly. I'm going uphill right now. I'm about to go uphill again. I'm going on a roundabout. All right, brought it back down to 20 miles per hour, 15 miles per hour. Put some gas into it, going uphill. I'm going uphill. Did fine. It did fine, you guys. I don't know. And before, and this is early morning start. Like I didn't even let it warm up. I didn't let it warm up or anything. This is early morning start. Well, it's not really early morning, but it's like 1:30 right now. It's not early morning, but y'all know what I mean. Like first starting the car and everything. And I have to say that I'm impressed. I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to do this on the first 2 weeks because I was like, you know what? Let me give it a month. I didn't even know it was going to happen in a month. I said, let me give it a month. Let me see what happens. I don't want to throw another bottle in there because that might be overkill and I might have to take some transmission fluid out so I'm not, overfilling this transmission. So anyways, I'm rambling now, but I am excited and happy that this is pretty good. And that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.